So let's go over my car really quick. We have brand new Apex wheels, EC7. We went ahead and get Continental Extreme Contact tires. If you come this way, we are going to repaint the bumper. I think maybe in 2 weeks or so. As you can see, there's cracks here. We redid the steering wheel. And we got the new leather with racing stripes. Very pretty. And we're gonna redo the whole interior later on. Hey guys, so welcome back. Today we are going to install Buildjournal Radiator Duct on my E46 M3 to replace this ugly, broken OEM one. So first thing we gotta do is to remove the front bumper. Obviously mine is out right now because we're replacing with a new one. I'll show you guys the part later. And the next thing you wanna do is just to open up the hood. So now we have to remove this front bumper support. To do that, we have to remove the 3 nuts inside these holes. So now we're going to use a pry tool to get the rest out. So this OEM radiator duct is actually missing a few plastic parts. As you can see, it's not very strong. That's why we are replacing half of it with Buildjournal adjustable radiator duct. Obviously it's a lot stronger. So we are going to modify this piece by cutting the lower half. That way we can keep the kidney grill ducting. Hopefully this works better. Oh yeah, way better. So we put this part back so we can test fit. As you can see, this hole right here needs to match with this one. This one needs to match with this one, which means we have to cut this part out to make some room. And we're gonna do the same thing for this side. So now we're gonna test fit it again. The holes don't line up, so we're probably gonna have to cut through this part right here. We need a special tool, a Dremel, to modify this piece. Another modification we need to do is to drill a hole into this support bracket in order to fit this rev nut. So now we're going to use this rivet tool to put in this nut. Put it all the way in. Stefan is helping me out. I need to hit the gym harder or get better tool, because this one was $20. It's not that easy to use.
This is like thicker than that.
Well guys, we are done. So as you can see, this is a lot prettier and a lot stronger than the OEM part. We just have to put back the bumper support and we'll be completely done. I want to show you guys my new bumper. This is a CSL bumper. It's ready to be painted. We're just going to keep the paint white for now. Then as you can see, there's a carbon fiber part on the bottom, really pretty. And it's lightweight. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.